Guys, thank you so much for showing so much love to my last video, the slimming one, how to get slim and lose weight without doing any diets and without going to gym. So thank you so much for that. I hope you will show same kind of love to my future videos and this video as well. So for today's video, what I am sharing is how to get very good vacation pictures. So in a recent poll I asked on my Facebook and Instagram page that how important for you is your vacation pictures, and 90% of people said yes. So I know vacation pictures are really important because everybody has to post them on social media, and it is definitely very important. So what to do and how to get those very nice pictures when you're traveling solo or when you're traveling in couple and you don't have anyone to get your pictures clicked, and how others get those very nice pictures. So I am sharing those tips in this video. So let's start. So first tip, which is very important, so whenever you are going to any place, any vacation, when you start planning for that vacation, you have to start planning for pictures as well. I mean, I know this could be a little weird for you, but yes, if you want really good pictures, then you have to plan for those pictures as well. So what you have to do, so for example, if you're going to Goa, so you have to search others people pictures in Goa. So you can search for TV celebrities or Bollywood celebrities and other people's pictures in that place. So how can you search them? So you can search with hashtags on Instagram: Goa solo pictures, Goa couple pictures, Goa group photos, and on Facebook is also, when you are searching, there is filter where you can apply filter for place and search for Goa, and you will see a lot of other people's photos which who have posted in that particular place. So you can find those pictures and you can save those photos. So you have to save those photos or screenshot them in your phone, whatever pictures you like, so that you have those poses in mind. So you have to plan and keep the poses ready, so that you are not one of those who went to the actual location and like, okay, what to do now, and there is only one pose standing and some not doing anything. So after planning, after having those poses ready, you have to plan for your outfits. So I mean, everybody plan for the outfits on the vacation, but if you want good pictures of that vacation, so you have to plan your outfits according to the pictures as well. Bright colors, guys, bright colors is one very important key for any vacation picture. You have to try to have a lot of bright colors. Those always look good and enhances your overall personality. And then, since you have already searched for other people pictures, you get an idea of what kind of clothes and outfits look better in that location, and you will have an idea of what are looking good and what is not looking good, so that you can find, okay, for men you can wear vests over there or shorts, and for girls you can find maxis are looking good, or what you will get an idea of outfits as well, and you will get an idea of colors as well, which prints are really looking nice in that location. So that so you have to plan the outfits as per pictures as well. And then if you're going in couple, then guys, color coordinating is the key, but make sure do not coordinate yellow and yellow, I mean same colors. That does not look good. So if you are going for those pair t-shirts and pair dresses, then it is fine. You can you can have those couple t-shirts and couple dresses in one day, but for other days do not have same colors for both of you. That does not look good, and same color with different shades also does not look good. You have to plan your outfits if you're going in couple, that what colors look good together. So for example, if you're wearing yellow, then maybe you can have orange and a shade of red, maroon, something for the guy. So this kind of color coordination is very important. The next tip is really for those who really want a very nice pictures, but you can skip this step as well, and you can invest in a selfie stick or a camera stand. So camera stand is not very costly. You can buy it before going to vacation. It is not important, but if you want, you can buy a selfie stick and or maybe a camera or phone stand, which is very good to get pictures pictures. Okay, so when you are actually on the vacation, what you have to do? So if you're going solo and if you are going in couple and you want couple pictures, or if you want solo standing pictures, so what to do? You don't have anyone to click your pictures. So I have seen a lot of people who are actually clicking a lot of selfies, which is not so I mean, if you're not showing the background when or the location when you are on vacation, then what's the point of clicking pictures? Because you can click selfies at home as well. So it is important to capture the background, the location as well with you when you are on vacation. So how to do that? You cannot just go ahead and ask everybody, excuse me, click our photos and all that. It's little difficult. So there is one very easy tip and trick that you can do for that. So what I have done it a lot of times to get those very nice photos. So what you have to do is, so there most of the touristy places, there is this lot of photographers which are roaming around for clicking your physical pictures. So they always say that okay, 50 rupees, 30 rupees for 2 or 3 pictures, and we'll click your pictures, edit them and give you a physical copies, I mean hard copies of those pictures. But hard copies are not really important these days, because everybody wants social soft copies to post it on social media. So for that what you can do is, you can talk to that bhaiya, that photographer bhaiya, and ask them to click few photos from your phone, and you can give them money of one photograph or something which they want to sell you. So I mean, they definitely agree to that, because they don't have to actually give you any physical photo. They just have to click soft copies and photos from your phone. But just make sure that you don't take much of his time, because that's the main problem, because they don't want to invest a lot of time on you. So you can so you already have your poses ready. You can just go back to your screenshots, check them, find out what poses you have to make, and then you can talk to that bhaiya and then get pictures clicked from them. So they click 8-10 photos very quickly for different poses, and because they are a photographer, so they know the angle. So when they click photos, they know what angles you click the photo, so that they really come out well. So by this trick you can actually have amazing pictures for yourself. You have to spend, but I think those prices are very nominal if you want to have good pictures. And those pictures will be really nice, because those will be the poses that you have already liked, and those photographers know the angles. So these pictures will be one of those best pictures of your vacation. So you can definitely invest 30, 40 or whatever rupees on it. These pictures will really be nice, and you will have those pictures on your phone, so you can edit them and post them in social media wherever you want to do. Okay, so next tip, so you must have seen a lot of candid pictures of people doing breakfast, or I mean having food or dancing or something. So how to click those pictures? So for that you have to use your camera's auto timer mode. So what you can easily do while having a breakfast, or while sitting in your room and you want those candid pictures, you have to adjust your camera with some objects and use your auto timer. And believe me guys, this auto timer gives you very nice pictures. You have to use the maximum time settings of 10 seconds and 20 seconds, whatever you have in your phone or your app or in your camera. Use that, adjust your camera or phone out there on table, or on the other table if you're having a meal, and talk to your partner, talk to your group. And if you're solo, then just do whatever you're doing, and that will click very nice candid pictures. So guys, that's it for getting pictures and clicking the pictures. I will be creating another video where I'll be sharing about poses. I mean, if you're not a very good poser, what is the basic things that you can do while posing and getting very nice pictures, and basic poses and basic editings, what app to use, how to edit photos, what all you can edit in a photograph before posting it, camera angles, and editing. So I will be creating another video on it. So do subscribe to my channel so that you know when that video is posted. So yeah, so that's it. Do give a thumbs up to the video if you like, and please comment if whatever your feedback is, positive, negative. I am ready to take any feedback, and I will definitely work on it. So guys, do subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up and comment on this video, and I will be posting a new video very soon. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye.